Hello, this is Russia from Norway. I will try to give you Sweet Home Chicago in the key of E on a standard tuned guitar. It's a 3-chord song. It's easy to play, and they love it if you play it when you're out with your friends. And we've got an intro. I'll show you one easy way to do it. You play open string 1 and you start on fret 3, string 2 and walk down. Open string 2, open string 5, fret 1, string 5, on the E. Like this. And you're into the chord E. And I play the 3 chords. It's E, it's A, and it's B7. On the E you play Come home, baby, don't you wanna go? You can vary it with going with your pinky on E7. Come on to the E. Just bend my ring finger down on fret 2, string 1 from the A. Baby, don't you wanna go? Back on the E. Back to the same old place. Sweet home Chicago. There are different ways to turn around. Another one is this one, as you also can have as an intro. You play fret 3, string 1, hammer on, fret 2, no, string 2, fret 3, like this, fret 2, string 3, and hammer on, fret 2, string 4. And open string 5, fret 1, string 5, and the chord E. Yeah, and you can vary it with those. And we have the third one, which is the B7 on fret 3. You just move the chord B7 down. So I think we'll try it through, and it's something like this. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come home. Back to that same old place, sweet home Chicago. And 2 and 2 is 4, babe. 6 and 2 is 8. Come on, little girl, don't be late. Come home, baby, don't you want to go? Back to the same old place, sweet home Chicago. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to the same old place, sweet home Chicago. Okay, something like this. Work on the intro, work on the fill-ins, and also the way to strum. Good luck with this one.